Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale luxury listings with Sotheby's International Realty, complete guide step by step clearly. To effectively scale luxury listings with Sotheby's International Realty, start by understanding your target market. Research the demographics of affluent buyers in your area. Identify the unique features of luxury properties that appeal to this audience. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that highlights these features. Leverage digital platforms to showcase your listings. Invest in high-quality photography and videography to create stunning visual content. Utilize virtual tours and drone footage to provide an immersive experience. Create engaging property descriptions that convey a lifestyle narrative. Optimize your listings for search engines to enhance online visibility. Utilize Sotheby's International Realty's branding and resources to establish credibility. Network with other luxury agents and industry professionals to expand your reach. Host exclusive open houses or private showings to create buzz. Provide personalized service to potential buyers, ensuring a tailored experience. Gather testimonials and success stories from past clients to build trust. Stay updated on market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Continuously refine your approach based on feedback and results. Engage with your community through social media and local events. Utilize data analytics to track your marketing performance and adjust as needed. Establish partnerships with local businesses to offer added value to your clients. Focus on building long-term relationships with clients for future referrals. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your luxury listings with Sotheby's International. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.